Welcome to the Wipro 16, a smart plug product guide and technical analysis. This smart plug is designed to make your ordinary home appliances smart. The device upgrades legacy appliances by providing remote control and monitoring. It effectively adds IoT connectivity to your home environment. The plug allows users to check and control heavy appliances from anywhere. It also monitors energy usage, allows for scheduling, and is voice-controlled. Key hardware specifications include a 16-amp current, 220 to 240-volt AC operation, and Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz network connectivity. The plug can handle a maximum load of approximately 3,500 watts and is made from fire-retardant polycarbonate. The heavy-load 16-amp model operates appliances like ACs, geysers, and microwaves. It requires a Type M socket. The light-load 10-amp model works with standard 6-amp sockets for devices like TVs and kettles. The accompanying app automates daily routines, letting users set schedules and countdown timers. It also allows for tap-to-run scenes and conditional triggers based on weather or device status changes. Installation is simple and requires no external hub as the plug connects directly to Wi-Fi. The process involves 6 easy steps from app installation to final setup. The product packaging highlights voice control features. The smart plug integrates seamlessly with popular platforms like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Approximate market pricing varies across platforms, with prices ranging from 924 rupees to 1,399 rupees. The best price is generally found on the Wipro store. The smart plug offers a stable Wi-Fi connection, accurate energy data, and safe thermal management. However, compromises include its bulky size, which may block adjacent switches, and occasional app sync delays. The Wipro 16A smart plug delivers cost-effective home automation. It effectively bridges the gap between analog and digital worlds, making everyday living smarter.